Today we're gonna be making a really cool, really chic boho chandelier. These are the materials we're gonna need for the project. The first step is getting your 3 hoops set. I have our 12-inch hoop, 10-inch hoop, and our 8-inch hoop. I've pre-measured a 20-inch string. I want my chandelier to hang about at 18 inches, so by giving myself 20 inches, I'm leaving myself some room to tie it to the hoop. This is gonna be one of 4 strings that we're gonna be using to attach to a hook later on. So I have the 4 pieces of string here now. Take one string and tie it to the top of my hoop here. And you're gonna do that for every quarter of the hoop. It should look something like this. Our next step is to measure out the string that's gonna be attaching all the hoops together. So you're gonna need 8 strings for both tiers of the chandelier. And now I'm just gonna finish tying them to my hoop here. If you like DIY, make sure you check out the other videos that come through this channel. For you, yourself, your family, friends, pets, enemies, DIY for everyone. So next I'm gonna do my string on my 10-inch. Tie each hoop to each other. So I'm gonna take our 8-inch and tie the strings to it so that way this one is connected to the 10-inch. So we have the middle part of our chandelier ready to go. Now we just gotta tie our bigger hoop to our medium hoop. Okay, look at it. So our next step is glue our fringe to the outside of our hoops. Woo, look at that. And you're just gonna repeat like you did on the last hoop.
So what you thinking about?
Thinking about how fun it is to glue, to be honest. Just a little more. All right, so look at this. It's nice, it's soft, it's pretty. I can't stop touching it, but we're not done yet. So we have to hide this banner here. You can be real creative with this. So I have chosen this nice lace to go around. It'll essentially hide the rope and the top of the fringe. The same thing that I did with the fringe, I'm doing with the lace. Ba, 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 ba. Woo, look at that. That is boho chic. I decided I want to do one more border on top to kind of tie in the twine. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a chandelier. It's really cute, really chic. It's gonna look really summery and you can put it in pretty much any place in your house. I give this a thumbs up, so give me a thumbs up.